Okay, we cut everything out. Now, the following are optional. You can have like a little bag, some ribbon, but you will need some sort of adhesive. And probably not pop dots. You don't really need those, but either glue or double-sided tape. I would highly recommend glue because you don't want this falling apart. Let me show you the finished product. This is super cute. This would be great for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Easter. Get well. Put a little not bath bomb, but a chocolate bomb right in there. Let me show you what it actually looks like. That's why I say, you know, the bag and the ribbon is optional. So what this file looks like, you have your cup. This is a 12 ounce cup. And of course you have a place for your gift card. Now I do have several types of coffee boxes. This is just one of them. This is another one right here, which there is a tutorial for. But this is like the cutest one that I've done so far because it's small. It's, you know, you can put a little bag in it, you know, give it as a gift. You do it for like baby showers. Those would be great. All right, so let's get started. You have your file. Now I used the dash line SVG one for so you can see the perforated edges where the lines are a lot easier, and for me. Okay, now you can use double-sided tape, but if you want this to be really sturdy, use glue, especially strong adhesive glue. And sure, you may have to wait a few seconds for it to dry, but it's so much worth it. Now, all I did was just line this right here and to the top. So it's a nice even edge right there. Okay, I'm going to do this to this guy too. A little glue, not a lot. Put it together, line this, line this. And to be honest, you can change up the pattern. Valentine's Day, Memorial Day, you know, 4th of July. Oh yeah, you can get really super creative. It's a real all occasional file that you can use for the coffee lover or tea lover in your life. It doesn't have to be for coffee, but you can put little bits of tea bags in here. A little sentiment. Oh yeah. I mean, this right here is from Chick-fil-A. So, and I know that they're coming out with like permanent ones, ceramic ones that are about this size. So, you know, you can, or if you're actually a tumbler maker, you want to, you know, decorate it and have a nice display rather than just showing off the box. That'll be cool. Okay. So, we got the bottom part. This is what goes inside of here. Actually, this goes on the outside here. So let's get this decorative. I may have put it onto these, but that's not where it really goes. It goes onto this box. Goes like right there. Now I have these a lot more stronger, bold colors. So if you wanted to do this for Father's Day, for, you know, like he's a good coffee drinker or tea drinker, you can actually have more bold colors. The first one I did was more Easter, more feminine, more fun. Not to saying the dads aren't fun. That did not come out right. Okay, here you go. Okay. Okay. I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to work on this. Okay. You're not doing anything other than just folding these. You don't need to stick them to one another or anything. You just have to fold and then put it in. And you make sure you have this facing the right way. Come on. Come on. You might have a little bit of resistance. Come on now. There we go. And that's not going anywhere. There you go. See? Got yourself a nice little box. Perfect. Now let's just assemble everything else. Okay, and put this together. You know what? I'm just going to do glue. Normally, I would just do double-sided tape on this portion. And I'm trying to avoid warping with glue because that's what glue tends to doing sometimes. It warps. But I just don't want this falling apart. And if you really want it to stay flat, put like a book on top of it and that'll definitely prevent warping. Okay. Before we attach this, I'm going to flip this and bend. Now I use like 110 cardstock, so this is really sturdy. This ain't going nowhere. Okay, I'm going to put this in first. Okay. And I just need glue here and glue here. And then fold. Now, you're definitely going to need something to pull that down because this cardstock is really, really tough. All right, let's just start with this right here. I guess I didn't really need this panel right here. It's all right. That's all right. Just need to put it like that. I think I cut an extra panel just in case I lost one. All right, and I just need to put that to the back. Give it a few seconds, flip it over, have it this way, like that. This should be good. I'm putting this guy on here. Just put a little weight. And I don't need this panel. That was a mistake on my part. I cut an extra one. So technically you're only supposed to have 3 panels and then this right here on the back. Now you can leave this white and then you can write your sentiment on the back of it. Or you don't have to. Last but not least, this will go to the front. There you go. If you want that to stick down, lay it flat. Okay. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da! There you go. You have yourself a nice, and if you want to make it even more special, you can go to any party store, get yourself like these. I got these from the Dollar Tree actually. They're super cute. And I've been using them for all manner of things. But you got yourself some bag, you put it in here, make it nice and fun. Put your treat inside. There you go. You're done. How cool is that? If you have any questions, oh, I forgot one last thing. The gift card. Because, you know, why not? A little extra. Just a little extra. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Leave a comment below. The sooner I see it, the faster I'll try to help you out as to the best of my ability. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.